features this oh so beautiful makeup look, which to me it screams prom season, and I use none other than this Makeup Revolution London Constellations palette. Now I did a video on this not too long ago, and that is going to be at the very end of this video, where you get to see my first impressions. With this makeup look also, you could, based on the colors, use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, or you can use the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette in Rosé in the Air and get this same look. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look using this palette or a palette of your own with similar colors, then keep watching. So the lashes that I'm wearing for today is the Ebon New York Wildcat Contention 3D Lash, and this is in shade Mia. This is 3 in 1 pack. So now I'm going to move on to the lips. So now the lip pencil that I'll be wearing for today is this MAC lip pencil, and this is in shade Mahogany. It's been a minute since I've worn this lip pencil, so I'm just going to see how this looks. And I can say that it looks just as good. I mean, it matches my eye look by a lot. And so now I'm going to delve into a lip gloss. I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in shade Fortune Cookie. Okay, so I made this concoction with the Mahogany and the Fortune Cookie. This eye look and this lippy combined. This is definitely Tay Rosé approved. And before I sign out, my condolences goes to Dante Wright and his family. If you'd like to know more information in regard to how you can give back to the Black Lives Matter movement, do be sure to check in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. Also, do not forget to click on that notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. Alright, that's all I have for now. Please be sure to check out the previous videos, in the section that's coming up next, and I will see you there. Bye!